When I think of my mother, no one compares to her. Her love like no other, she puts everyone else first. And when I was younger, I treated her the worst. Never known someone stronger, 'cause damn, it must have hurt. I don't.
Pamela, wishing you happiest birthday. You're in your 50th birthday to coming December 1. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-aasenso mo. Wishing you nothing but the best for you. Sa inyo ni Leo.
See you as much as I used.
Happy birthday, May. Wishing you good health on your 50th day. And may God continue to shower you more blessings. Whatever your heart desires are, just be yourself and be happy always and keep young. And may you and Leo, whatever dreams you both have, is going to happen on this special day. Thank you. Bye.
But if
Hello, me. Happy birthday. 50 years old ka na. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Ingat lagi. Kailangan wish ko sa'yo sa birthday mo, lagi kang healthy. Una-una healthy. Tapos yung mga plano sa buhay, pagpatuloy mo lang kung meron man. Ano tawag to? Stressful ako kasi kaya walang stressful sa trabaho kaya walang naisip. Basta enjoy lang yung araw mo, karawan mo. Keep on praying na that God always guide you and protect you wherever you go, kung saan ka man pupunta. Kasi lagi ka nagbibiyahe araw-araw. Always keep safe. Tapos wala na masabi. Ayun lang, happy birthday uli. God bless. Bye.
If I did, I know what I would do.
Hi, Ming. Happy 50th birthday. Uy, 50 years old na ba na ka? Amo gayo, pasigon na tadi Kami happy ta sa once again, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your birthday. I love you.
I tell you.
Hi, Mana. Happy birthday. It's your 50th birthday, and I do hope that you'll celebrate it with your family and your, of course, your relatives. I do hope that, you will be able to succeed in whatever that you're doing, and at the same time, good health as always. Always pray and, ask guidance from God in everything that you do. All right, so happy birthday.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mimi. 50th birthday. Ang tanda mo na po, sobra. Sa birthday mo po, enjoy your day. More blessings to come po. And malapit na po yung Christmas. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year din. And saan po yung regalo ko po? Thank you.
50 na. Happy birthday, Mimi. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Mimi. Happy birthday, Me. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, kami na ang mag-blow ng candle para sa iyo. 1, 2, ready? And we wish you all the very best. Bye!
Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday, me! I'm thankful to the Lord that you have reached such a great milestone in your life, reaching 50 years old and as pretty and healthy as you are and happy at the moment. And you're such a sweet and caring cousin, and I always look forward to go home and see you all, especially you kasi pareho naman tayong mga mahilig sa mga marites. And hopefully as the year goes by, you will be more blessed and more prayerful, and I wish you all the best, more success, more wealth, more health, good health always. And I am here if you need anything, and I miss you so much, cousin, and have a very happy birthday and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year as well. Thank you.
Hello po, Tita Mimi. I just want to wish you po a happy birthday and I hope that you enjoy your day po. Ikaw, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mi! Wishing you the best in everything. Dad.
Mi, bigla, pasensya na, no? Di kami makapunta kasi nag-decide kami kanina lang na pumuntang UK. Medyo hinahabol ko nga yung flight ngayon. Medyo traffic papuntang Naiya eh. Pero anyway, happy birthday. Talagang gusto mo pang i-announce na 60 years old ka na, no? At least, di ba, dual citizen ka na, senior at saka Filipino citizen. Oh, yun, di ba? At least dalawa na ID mo. Anyway, sige, enjoy, and may hinahabol lang kaming flight. Bye.
Hello, Mina. Maayong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw nga tawhan. Happy birthday to you. More birthday and blessings to come. Tibundang regalo. See you.
Hey, Mimi. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you're doing well over there. Can't wait to see you guys once again sometime soon, so enjoy your day and have a good one.
Times say that I'm sorry.
Birthday mo na, ta. Happy birthday po. Happy 50th birthday, tita. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Thank you sa kind and generous heart mo since then para sa amin. Thank you kasi palagi kang nandaan sa amin. Nasa Cavite man, sa Dapitan hanggang ngayon. Thank you, tita. I love you po. Happy birthday. May the Lord continue to bless you, pour out His favor upon you. Palagi kang ingatan, and solely yung desire ko ng heart na linis ibigay ito ng Lord. Happy birthday, tita. I love you so much. Thank you sa lahat.
If I made you cry, could never be.
Hi, tita. What's up? What's up? Today is your day. Happy birthday. Yes. It's your day. And enjoy. Ito yung message ko, tita, sa'yo. Ito na talaga. First of all, hala, English yun. Hindi mo kaya yun. Charot. Ito na talaga, pinakaseryoso ko na talaga to. Promise, promise, promise. And, let's go. Hi, Tita Pam. Tita Pam, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. And first of all, thank you for everything. You made me grateful life, and you made me happiest girl in the world. Dating malungkot, ngayon masaya. First of all, thank you for everything. As in, tita, everything talaga. Kasi hindi magiging ganito buhay namin kung hindi mo kami kinuha. Pero yun, I'm so lucky to have tita like you because you're so kind and jolly. You made me happiest girl in the world and grateful life. Binigyan mo kami ng grateful life. And of course, tita, enjoy your day. And pengi akong handa mo, tita. Charot. And of course, I'm always here. Even wala ako sa tabi mo, tapos ang tagal-tagal ko pa mag-sing. Pero I'm always here to you. If may problem ka, pwede mo akong makausap, ganun. Even I'm not good in advice, tita. Kahit matigas ulo ko, I love you so much. Kahit minamalditan kita, I love you pa rin kasi ikaw yung tita, ikaw yung binigay ni God para sa akin. Stay pretty and stay hydrated. Wayne loves you so much. Love kita, tita, kahit ganito ako. Pero kahit matigas yung ulo ko, and naging pasaway ako sa inyo ni tito, nag-iisip ako kung paano ko masusuklian yung tulong na ano niyo sa amin. Nila mama, syempre. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko kapag wala na kayo sa tabi namin. Ayun. And take care. And lalo na tita kapag umalis ka and you're not home from work. Oh my God. Ingat ka talaga, tita. And always pray to God. Ganun pag alis ka. Dapat hindi ka magpapaka-stress. Okay? Kasi birthday mo yan. Hindi ka pwede ma-stress. Dapat hindi nyo ito paghugasin ng plato. Tapos hindi nyo paglulutuin. Hala, uwi. And ayun lang, tita Pam. Anong po yung message ko sa'yo? Wala man akong regalo sa'yo, pero ito ay bukal sa puso ko. Again, happy birthday, tita Pam. Enjoy your day. I love you so much.
Una sa lahat, tita Pam, gusto po kita batiin ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Haha, joke lang po. Happy birthday, tita Pam. I miss you. I'm God bless to you.
Be half the woman even if I try. But I try. I swear I try. If someone puts me down, yeah, I know my worth. All thanks to you, the lessons that I've learned.
Hi, Tita Pam. Happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. Bye-bye.
If I had to put it.
Hi, Pam. Happy birthday. And I'm making this video. It's not because you requested me to make a video for you, but it's really coming from my heart. And I sincerely greet you a very happy birthday. I know God has given you a lot of blessings, and just ignore whatever happened to you to us, whether those were negative past happenings, but count all the blessings that God has given you and to your family as well. Again, Pam, I hope you enjoy your day, and I miss you. I really miss you. God bless, Pam. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Pam. Welcome to the golden years and enjoy your day. Keep healthy and be happy. Bye.
Happy birthday, my dear Pammy. Happy golden birthday. Sorry. Ngayon lang nakasend. May activity kasi kami kahapon. Busy sila ako ng mga nowadays, mga last week. Pwede pa naman makahabol, diba? More blessings to come. Pray for good health. God's wisdom in all your plans sa iyong life. Stay beautiful always. Energetic. Danzeros. Kamu nga ni Dodil and Kathleen. Danzeros sa barkada natin. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to say thank you sa Panginoon dahil naka-reach ka pa ng 50 at this year. And see you soon. Miss you and love you, my friend. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hello, Mimi. Happy 50th birthday. Always good health. Enjoy your day. Golden girl ka na. Junior citizens na tayo. So, paano yan? Ingatan natin ang ating sarili. Basta, sa ngayon, sa araw na to, mag-enjoy ka lang at nandyan naman yung pamilya mo, lalo na sa asawa mo. Basta, kung ano man yung noon at saka ngayon, ang dami nating pinagsamahan. Sobra-sobra, lalo na yung magkasama tayo sa bahay. Diba? So, good luck, Mimi! I love you! I miss you! Mama, chup-chup!
Happy birthday, Marie!
Gusto ko!
I wish you sana masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo at masaya ka sa husband mo. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung career mo at bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon mahabang buhay hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday again, Mars.
Happy 50th birthday, my dear. Wishing you happiness, good health, and more years to celebrate. Hoping you enjoy your day today. God bless, and again, happy birthday.
Into words, I think of an angel.
Happy birthday, Nina Pa! Happy birthday!
And all I see is her.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Pam. Stay pretty and healthy.
Happy birthday, Tita Pam. I wish you a very good health. Miss you and I love you. See you in summer.
All I see is her.
Hi, Pam. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Pam.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Pasensya na. Hindi na ako nakapag-greet sa'yo. Talaga mag-ingat and stay happy and beautiful as always. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Your voice in my head, it tells me.
Happy birthday, Ate Pam!
Wala pa, advance happy birthday.
Advance happy birthday! Wish namin, ano ba wish natin, tita?
Sana makita mo yung cellphone mo.
Thank you, ate, sa palaging pagpunta dito sa bahay.
Thank you din sa binigay mo.
Laging nandyan pag aayain. Laging may regalo sila, baby.
Thank you sa lahat.
More birthdays, Ate Pam. Bye-bye.
Good health.
Happy birthday na.
Good health, Pam.
Good health po. Tita Pam daw. Tita Pam, happy birthday. Sabihin niyo, happy birthday, Tita Pam.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Pam.
I'm beautiful.
Hello, Pam. Happy birthday. Sorry, ngayon ko lang nagawa yung video na kailangan mo. I wish you all the best. Sana lahat ng mga naisin mo sa buhay, lahat ng mga pangarap mo, lahat ng mga kailangan mo, lahat ng mga pagpapalang nanggagaling sa Panginoon makamtan mo sa taong ito ng iyong kaarawan. Alam ko, unti-unti nang nagbabago ang takbo ng buhay mo. Alam ko na nakaka-recover ka na at natutuwa ako dahil pinagpapala ng Panginoon ng iyong buhay. I wish you all the best in this world, pati yung mga chikiting, mga anak na gusto mo nawa ipagkaloob sa iyo ng Panginoon. Kita-kits tayo sa birthday mo sa December 7. Again, happy birthday to you. God bless you always, Pam. Baka may gusto ka sabihin kay Pam.
Pam! Happy birthday! Still young. Ang aking wish sa iyo ay patuloy ka pang bigyan ng malakas na pangatawan, pati ang iyong pamilya. At patuloy ang pagpapala ng Panginoon sa iyo sa kalusugan at maging sa pinansyal. Pagkaloob ng Panginoon. Higit sa lahat, makilala mo ng lubos ang Panginoon sa inyong buhay. God bless you all. God bless you.
Bye-bye!
When I have children.
Hello, Mami Pam. Happy birthday. Pasensya na, medyo late. Pero happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. God bless.
Ayan, pwede na siguro to. Hi! Happy birthday, Ate Pam. I'll admit, na-pressure ako dito sa video grieving, but I didn't expect that we will also connect the way we have right now. It means a lot to me that you consider me as one of your friends, and thank you for being such a wonderful person. Wishing you a birthday filled with joy, laughter, and all the good things life has to offer. Let's celebrate soon with Ryan. Pag nakita ko kayo. I miss you all. Happy birthday!
I'll pass on.
Hi, Ate Pam. Good morning. Happy birthday. This is my gift for you. Welcome to Tops, Cebu.
Happy birthday, Ate Pam. Sana all hindi mo kang 50 kahit 50 na. Sana ganyan din ako pag nag-50 ako. Charot. Dete, thank you so much kasi super bait mong agent. Ang galing mo din at lagi kang perfect sa lahat ng bagay. And yeah, sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to with your family and your friends. And stay happy and blessed. Yan lang, ate. Love you.
Happy birthday naman sa'yo, Ate Pam. Grabe naman ang pag-break niyan sa work. Charis. Deserve mo naman at napaka-hardworking mong tao. And ang wish ko pala sa'yo, ngayong birthday mo, ay maging healthy ka pa at lalo ka pang i-bless ni Lord at napakabuti mong tao. I am so grateful to have known you. Bakit ngayon lang kita nakilala? Hala, si OA. Pero yun nga, kidding aside, Ate Pam, always stay safe and ayun, sana ibigay ni Lord kung ano man yung mga wishes mo and yung mga dreams mo. So yun, happy birthday, kita tayo sa site. Bye, love.
The things I was told, I don't see you as much as I used to, but if I